Coco. Moving, hold on. I'm more keen on this. Needs to go back in the oven before I take a photo. But look at that. So, penne pasta bake, Italian sausage, spinach, bell pepper or capsicum, parsley from the garden, stracciatella or like a pulled mozzarella, cheddar grated, parmesan, spices, so it's got some fennel, some chili flakes, garlic, chicken stock powder. Really easy, really simple to be able to make this. And this is fantastic meal prep. You can freeze it and really great for when you're not really feeling like cooking. And you can add as many, I think in here, like some pumpkin or sweet potato would be really good. You could add heaps more vegetables and it'd be super versatile. So I'm working on a recipe for this and we'll make it again soon. But I want to know, what is your dish of the day?